So the natural world is like the human body. When we keep our bodies healthy by eating right and exercising, we can do amazing things. That's true for the environment that surrounds us as well. The natural environment can support healthy communities, a healthy economy, and human health, healthy populations. But if we eat too much junk food and we don't exercise, we can end up sick. And that's true of the environment around us as well. I want to talk to you today about one piece of the environment that's vital to the support of healthy communities, and that's streams. Streams and rivers that flow through cities, or what we call urban streams, are like the arteries of the communities that they pass through. And they've been on a junk food diet, so they are sick. We know a thing or two about 6 streams and rivers here in northeastern Ohio on the banks of the Cuyahoga River that famously caught fire. But we also know that over the last 40 years, the Cuyahoga River has gotten much healthier. And as the river has gotten healthier, the community has gotten healthier too. Cleveland has revitalized, and so too have other cities along the river. But back to this junk food diet. There's a problem we haven't been talking about, and that problem, the junk food of urban streams, is stormwater runoff. Stormwater runoff is rainfall that falls onto rooftops and pavements, and it doesn't have a chance to filter into the ground or get used by plants. Instead, it rushes over the streets and rushes through pipes and dumps out into our streams and rivers and ends up as floodwaters, carrying pollution, eroding sediment, and killing the plants and animals that live in and along the streams. It can also cause problems for human health and safety. People die in urban floods. So we have a problem. Our streams and rivers are sick from eating too much stormwater junk food. The good news is we also have the medicine. We have stormwater solutions that scientists and engineers have been working hard to develop. You may even have heard of some of these solutions. Things like rain gardens that allow water to filter into the ground and get used by plants and keep it from becoming stormwater runoff. Or green roofs, which do basically the same thing except up on our rooftops and also help keep our homes cool in the summer and warm in the winter. So we have the solutions out there, and policymakers have been paying attention to the problem with stormwater runoff, and at the local and state levels, we're doing a good job of making sure that new urban areas have stormwater solutions that are built when those urban areas are developed. But many of our cities are much older than us realizing the problems with stormwater runoff or having the solutions to fix it. So in these areas, this rainfall is still rushing over the pavements and the rooftops and into the streams and causing the flooding and other problems. So what we need to do is we need to change our attitudes and we need to change our incentive structures so that we can get the stormwater solutions we have applied as widely as possible on the urban landscape. When we do that, when we stop stormwater from causing our unhealthy urban streams, then we also create lots of other benefits. There's positive side effects. We give ourselves pretty green spaces to look at in our cities. We open up opportunities for recreation. We save energy. We reduce our heating and cooling bills. And maybe we can even save some of that water and reuse it in our homes and gardens. So we have the problem. We have the solution. Now we just need to make it happen. And when we make it happen, we get healthy streams and rivers and healthy communities.